What's going on YouTube? YouTube is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bringing you guys another official video. Guys, I'm super excited. I feel like this body kit is coming along so amazing. Guys, look at that side vent and that side profile. I don't care what anyone says. I like it. I hope my fans like it. I hope my subscribers like it. This is looking awesome, guys. I'm really excited about how I did the front. I'm sure some of you guys has been watching this from day one. This wide body build. I kind of went through, it was so tough. I can tell you, I respect the car designers out there, and I respect the people that are making body kits and designing cars, because this was tough. This is just to show you right here, like the level of dedication that I had to creating the curves and the turns. I'm not just over here cutting up cardboard and paper. I'm being precise. I'm measuring. I'm ensuring that I have what I need for the build. I'm literally designing the car. I made this image of the car. I'm creating everything a specific way, how I want it. I'm literally designing the car. I'm super stoked. I mean, as you can see from the front, I really wanted to work on like how it's gonna come across, you know, the curvature, making sure the wheel well is what it needs to be. Right now the car is slammed, and just taking that into consideration. Of course, I'm gonna clean up a lot of the corners on the edges from the actual car from the actual frame behind it, but just showing you how I just kind of took that lip to kind of contour with the other lip right there on that bottom piece, and just the angles that I have right here on the front. At first I had it more rounding off, but I felt like I wanted to make the car appear completely wide. I think I widened the car about a total of maybe 12 inches, 6 on each side. So this is just to show you how it looks from the front vent. So this is gonna kind of be a vent area that's gonna look kind of like this. I know it looks pretty messy and dirty, but you see, I basically took this part and made it wider, and this is gonna sit like this. I may put some vent or some form of a mesh in there too. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, guys, I mean, super excited. I'm really excited about how it's coming out. Think it looks nasty. What are your thoughts on it? Guys, you know, like I said in my previous videos, I wanna be the new Liberty Walk for the Audi community. I want to be able to take any Audi platform and take it to an extreme level versus just the traditional fender flares or slap on. So I'm going to do this with every car, right? So right now, this is going to be the test car, right? That I'm going to do this kit on. Then I'm going to do it on A4. Then I'm going to do it on the A7. And generally, when you're dealing with A7s, A6, and A8s, you're going to have somewhat of the same functionalities. We're just off with the measurements and the extensions on the vehicle. So I plan on making this a sellable kit. So if anyone has any feedback about this kit or things that you would like me to do, let me know. But I'm going to design this like RWB, like Liberty Walk designs their kits, and I'm going to produce it and sell it to the community. I feel like the B8, B8.5, and even the B9 platforms, but mainly B8 and B8.5 and B7s are just a masterpiece. And sometimes you want to be able to get a vehicle that you're in love with and just put something on it that can make you appreciate it even more. And I know this isn't for everyone. This is my cup of tea. As you can see, I have different styles. I mean, as you can see, I have my Audi RS5 over there. It's filthy, guys. I have my Volkswagen. I'm really a big car enthusiast, and this is what I really want to do at this moment for this specific build, guys, right? And also, guys, I know a lot of my subscribers also know about this being a big turbo Audi. Guys, once I'm done with this kit, I'm going to make sure that I do the videos. What I may even do is once I'm done with the kit, when I'm really prepping it, fiberglass, and I may just kind of take the car and just do the dyno at that point. As you guys know, parts are already taken off. Big turbo Audi right here. So if you're into engine performance as well, Other than aesthetics, this is going to definitely be the build that you want to follow, right? And it's definitely going to be the channel you want to follow. I got tons of things on educational, DIYs. I'm all over the place, and I'm hopefully in a good way. But yeah, guys, this is the kit. And as usual, guys, the way that this works is first, for the short attention span of myself, including others, I show you the finished product. This is going to be part 4 of the kit, so you can kind of see my journey. And then after I show you how the kit looks, I show you how I got here. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. So right now, guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I got here. So you're going to see the steps that I took to get to this point, and so forth with the future videos. Hope you guys like it. I'm super excited. Thank you for all my new subscribers and the people who've been a part of me from day one and believing in me and believing in this journey. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Look at that, guys. Jesus. I'm going to continue to take it more to the next level. We got Bruce up on the track. All right, guys, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just kind of creating a curvature for the wheel well. You know, as you can see, I got that over there. So I'm just kind of trying to give myself a good curvature for the wheel well over here. And the tricky part about this is I'm doing it while it's slammed. So it's gonna look a little different when it's up, but you can have a general idea. You're gonna be able to, when it's up, see the tire and stuff like that. But it's definitely, even being up, going to be somewhat of a static vehicle. Cool. All right, guys, so right here, I think I'm gonna possibly do a flare versus a big box, and it's gonna kind of look like that. So I'm trying to see if I want to add a flare to this. Let me know your thoughts, if I should keep it box. But I think I'm gonna try to see what happens if I add a flare. So I just kind of drew how the flare would be. And this is gonna be just like a little stretch. So it's gonna make it a lot wider, about probably 6 inches wider all around because it's already wide. But in order to get this look right here, generally the inside of the Lambos and the McLarens and stuff are a lot thinner and it's wider on the outside. So for me to get this effect, I gotta make the car even wider than it is. So might be wider than the Lambo. So let's see how this goes. This is what I'm gonna do to kind of start the flare. So you see it's gonna just kind of come like this, where they're kind of in an angle and the flare is gonna kind of go around like that. As you guys can see, I went ahead and went with the flare. I really think it looks really good. I think it really just gives more of a traditional look. It just really brings out the wheel well. I was looking too much like a Cybertruck, so I said, let me add a little bit of funk to it. It looked good before, but I think this is really going to bring it out and give it more of a Euro supercar look, which is what I'm going for. You know, like I said, I want someone to be able to pull up and like, what's that? So guys, just to let you know, so what I did is I cut this piece out, and you see I got the skeleton right here of how I want the back fender to be. As you can see, that's going to be the skeleton. And I'm going to put this on like this, and this is going to create, you know, the typical wide body kind of arch that you typically see on different fenders. So it's going to be like that. So you guys kind of do it.